And now let's go with the question number 6. In the question number 6, what we have to do is they're asking us to sketch the graph, the curve C with the equation of this. Okay, if this is the equation, and also that another important information is they are saying K is a positive constant. So this is another important information. So the coordinates of any point whether C cuts the coordinate axis, the equation of the vertical asymptotes, everything we have to get the values. So to find the y-intercept and the x-intercepts, we know we can go with the points. Okay, but we have another option is to find the asymptote, which is the vertical asymptote. So here it is easy, we know vertical asymptote is taken by the denominator, vertical asymptotes indirectly, that is meaning the denominator being 0. So x minus 2k is 0. So x equals 2k. So since we know the k is a positive number, 2k will also be positive. Okay, so literally x equals 2k is a, it has to be in the positive side, which is right side. Okay, let's grab all the information. The next what we can do is they're asking at the where you cut the coordinate axes, which is, let's go with x-intercept. To get the x-intercepts, we know we have to set the y equals 0. So for the y equals 0, we can write 0 equals 4k divided by x minus 2k. So literally it will be 4k equals 0, but we know that cannot be 0. So because k is a positive number, this cannot be 0. So there is no x-intercept. This is our second piece of information. Then we can go with y-intercept. What will be the y-intercept would be, that means x equals 0. In this one, x equals 0 means we're going to get 4k, 0 minus 2k, so which will give us negative 2k. So then the coordinate would be 0, negative 2k. Sorry, it's not negative 2k because I just noticed this k gets cuts off because it's a k and a k here. This is our answer. Okay, so we have a y-intercept and this. Now let's try to put all this information into a number line where you have y-axis and the x-axis. We have an asymptote of vertical asymptote, which is x equals 2k. So this is 2k. And another point we know is 0, negative 2.